Without wearing any sensors on your body, this screen can show just where you are and just what you are doing by recognizing the joints in your arms and legs. It's even able to guess where joints like ankles are, even if they're covered up.
Just standing here, the system can detect my smallest movements, and you can see how it works with graphic cards. But actually, this technology can be applied to international sports competitions as well to help understand and analyze athletes' gestures and performance details.
Our system can capture the sports action of every angle and every moment for real-time shortcutting in broadcast, and it can create a collection of the most exciting moments in a very short period of time. For example, if you want a collection of one of the athlete's highlights, the AI technology can assemble it with just one click. That was one of its earliest applications to sports.
Developed by Chinese tech giant SenseTime for streaming sports broadcasts, this is just one of the applications of the SenseMars system. Based on 3D rendering, real-time navigation inputs, and fast map-building technology, the system can also help visitors navigate as they walk around unfamiliar locations. It's already being used in some scenic spots across China, such as the Westlake area in Hangzhou. Next year, it will be used at the Winter Olympics in Beijing, helping both fans and athletes finding their way around a massive area. But it's the sports competitions that have presented the toughest challenges for the tech developer.
It has laid higher requirements on our technology's accuracy, as it's a professional competition. So we've enhanced the accuracy of our algorithm and also its stability. And the sports events consist of both athletes and the viewers. It's a quite large application scenario, and our technologies have to fit in the demands of all of them. Only if they've gone through a long period of testing on site can they be finally implemented.
The system has already been tried out at Beijing's National Aquatic Center, widely known as the Water Cube. The Beijing Winter Olympics will also be using an additional AI system, Xiaoeyes, as an aid to the judges. While all this new technology is rapidly becoming a part of sports events, experts say it may still take a while for it to become mature enough to become a common feature for the events themselves and for video viewers.
The technology part of augmented reality and virtual reality are mostly ready, but for the device, for the application part, that could be a problem in the current and the near future. Because, for example, let's see augmented reality device, the viewing angle is currently very small. That conflicts the immersion concept of VR itself. And for virtual reality, currently the viewing angle is big enough, but the refresh rate and the latency could be a problem, because the latency can cause dizziness of the audience and reduce the overall watching experience.
And since the whole AI application is based on a large quantity of collected data, data protection and management become an issue as well.
For example, we can analyze a lot of information from the video itself, including the body movement and even micro expressions of that as like this. That could be private information, but I think there would be this kind of requirement for the data owner to tell the competition participants about how they will use this kind of data. Will the data be released to the public or be kept within their database? That could be a problem.
Professor Zhai says there's also a need for more effective protection of data from sensors on site, which may be able to detect participants' heartbeat rates, for example. That could be information vital to the outcome of an event or to the development of a sporting industry. He suggests that laws and regulations should be established to manage this kind of data to protect both the athletes themselves and the competitions.